I'm gonna be rating the different ways that students cheat on tests.
This method is called the hide your phone in your lap or under the desk. I give this -5 out of 10. Super easy to get caught and very noticeable. The next method is when you straight up ask the person next to you for the answer. I give this a 2 out of 10 because I appreciate the confidence. This is the classic hide a note card in your palm or your calculator. I give this -5 out of 10. It's super noticeable. This is the OG of cheating. This is when you put your review sheet underneath your desk. I give it -20 out of 10 because kids think they're sneaky, but it's not. This is the newest form of cheating. It's when you switch tabs on your Chromebook. I give this -50 out of 10 because I can watch your screen. I can see you cheating.